In our last episode, we explored how Wizzer handles data. But handling data isn't enough. The real challenge is converting these market insights into fully operational, high performance strategies without risk, without friction, and without compromise. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on Wizzer's developer first trading infrastructure to make the quant trading as seamless, scalable, and powerful as modern software engineering. In modern software engineering, developers are used to user-friendly and intuitive tools like code editors. So, by integrating Monaco Editor, which powers the VS Code which is used by millions of developers around the world, we provide traders an intuitive, performant, and lightning-fast trading terminal right from their browser. If your strategy is a software, then why not treat it like one? What makes our code editor stand out? Intelligence and syntax highlighting. Write cleaner, smarter, and more organized code instantly from your browser. Built-in Git version control. Everything is tracked and nothing gets lost. Zero setup, maximum speed. Now launch right away from your browser. Deploy with a single click. Every strategy in Wizzer is backed by Git version control. So every time you create a strategy, it gets created as an independent and isolated Git repository. Why Git? Because tracking changes in quant trading is non-negotiable. With Git, you get who changed exactly what, when, and why. If something goes wrong, then rolling back to previous versions is simple. Collaborate with your team members and keep record of multiple versions of the strategy. Trigger automated backtest and deployments. Every commit, every time. This isn't just about keeping things organized. This is how you trade with confidence. Deploying your strategy should be as simple as writing it. In Wizzer, it is. Our single-click deployment pipeline triggers an enterprise-grade CICD pipeline specifically built for quant strategies. Here's how it works. Once you commit your code, our pipelines pick it up instantly. Automated builds. Your strategy is packaged as a single Docker image, complete with all the Wizzer SDKs and all the popular libraries used by quants across the world. Instant deployments. As soon as you click on deploy, your strategy is deployed instantly within seconds and it can connect to our code server for live trading. Live logs and feedback. Get real-time visibility and know what's happening at every stage. Our enterprise-grade CI/CD pipeline reduces risk, guesswork, and delays. Your strategy is deployed instantly within a single click. At Wizzer, every strategy is a Docker container. So once you deploy your strategy, it gets deployed to our container execution platform, where our platform provides a fully secure, isolated, and scalable environment for your strategy to execute. Your strategy, being a container, is fully isolated and runs in its own sandbox environment, completely independent from other strategies running on the same execution platform. This way, your code is always secure and free from any contamination from other strategies. But why containers? Because security first. Since your strategy is a container, it's fully isolated and independent from contamination from any other strategy. Stability. If your strategy crashes, our system and ops monitoring infrastructure will ensure that your strategy is always running and live. Do you want to downgrade your strategy seamlessly or you want to upgrade your strategy seamlessly? It's just a single click away. Upgrading and downgrading your strategy is as simple as replacing your strategy with that version of the container that you had previously deployed or it just got built. It's that easy. One of the major advantages of packaging your strategy as container is absolute reproducibility. Once your strategy gets packaged as a container with all the dependencies and frameworks required for its execution, it can be reproduced instantly. Now, every time you downgrade your strategy or upgrade your strategy, reproducibility is almost guaranteed. No more guesswork why it used to work earlier but it doesn't work now. Reproducibility is almost guaranteed. This is the same technology and infrastructure which powers the modern enterprise cloud deployments, just that optimized for quant trading. Once your strategy is deployed, our StratOps service will take over it, so you don't have to. StratOps service will ensure that your strategy is always monitored for health. If your strategy goes down, it will ensure that the strategy is always kept up and running. This health monitoring service will keep tracking the CPU memory usage of your strategy in real time so that we know that when your strategy has gone wrong or something has gone wrong. StratOps service also handles scheduling. If your strategy wants to run on at the first of every month or at the end of the every month, if your strategy wants to run at the start of every week or at the end of the every day, or if there is a specific time or an event when you want your strategy to be scheduled, our StratOps service will ensure that it gets executed at that time. We have eliminated the operational pain point so that you don't have to, and you can focus on what really matters to you. That is your strategy. Building your strategy is hard, but deploying them shouldn't be. So with Wizzer, you get single-click deployments, modern code editor, automated backtests, enterprise-grade security, version control and tracking, health monitoring of your strategy, automated scheduling, downgrading your strategies, and upgrading your strategies, all from the same code editor instantly. This is how Quant trading strategies should be: fast, seamless, and built for scale. Wizzer's infrastructure empowers you with it. If you are serious about quant trading, Wizzer's infrastructure empowers you to build, test, and deploy your strategies without any limits. Our full-stack quant infrastructure is built for the future. Subscribe now for more deep dive into our engineering vision and what we are about to build.